welcome to my blog vlog. All right, so this time I'm going to help you how to fix your camera on your laptop. Okay, so sometimes it's really happened, all right, when your camera is not working, and sometimes because of the I don't know what is the main reason, all right, why the camera sometimes you can find it, especially in our job, right, in my job. I mean, sometimes I'm using class in to my classes, right? So sometimes the classroom cannot detect the camera, and then it will show like this one, as you can see here and on my desktop. All right, so we can find your camera, check to be sure it's connected and installed properly, that it isn't being blocked by antivirus software. All right, so sometimes because of the antivirus software, and that your camera drivers are up to date, right? So it's really happened. Okay, so sometimes your camera is not working. So this is the main sometimes problem that I have in my classes. All right, my camera is not detected by the class. And so first you need to go to, okay, check your camera. All right, so the very first thing that I did is, all right, so I go to device manager, okay? So control panel, and then yes, you're gonna click this one, open, and then, all right, so here, as you can see, all right, so here you can see the cameras, right? So sometimes, okay, you need to update the driver. All you need to do sometimes is update the driver. So it will work, all right, when you update the driver. Okay, so yes, you're gonna click that one, update the driver. All right, so it will, okay, there will be a loading all right, um image here. So yes, and then you will wait until it will finish. All right, so yes, update the driver. All you need to do is update the driver. Okay, but actually my camera is working right now, so it will here. Okay, now, and as you can see here, the best drivers for your device are already installed. Okay, then you're gonna check your camera, and the camera will be okay. But sometimes, even though you update the driver, it's not working. Okay, so the most of the thing that I do is sometimes I I uninstall the device. All right. So when you uninstall the device, you're about to uninstall the device from your system. Okay. So you're gonna click this one. All right. Here, as you can see, uninstall the device, and then okay, you're gonna check show some hidden devices. Okay, here. So some hidden devices, or you can say scan for hardware devices. Okay, so the camera will appear again. And as you can see, USB 2.0 webcam. Okay, so it will appear again and your camera will be okay. All right, so that's it. And then sometimes when you need to, okay, so it will work. Okay, and then also sometimes you need to do a Windows update. Okay, so this is Windows update settings. Okay, so you need to click this one also, and then that's it. Windows update settings. Okay, so I will click the open. All right, so actually my Windows, okay, is up to date. So sometimes because of your computer is not up to date, so the camera is not working. All right, so you need to update update your Windows. Okay, so then your camera will work. Okay, so that's all. This is the easiest way you're gonna do so that your camera will be working again. All right, so that's all, and I hope this video will help you a lot, right, with your problem if you can't find your camera, all right? So thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos, okay? Thank you so much.